With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, question is conductometric titration curve of an equimolar mixture of HCl and HCN with NaOH aqueous is. So in this question, we have to find out the correct conductometric titration curve or graph for the equimolar mixture of HCl and HCN with aqueous NaOH is. So first of all, what is conductometric titrations? In which conductance is measured or conductivity is measured against the volume of base added. So this is the plot of the conductometric titrations. Conductivity is plotted against the volume of the base added. Now we are given here the equimolar mixture of HCl and HCN. So HCl, this is a strong acid. And HCN is a weak acid. So it means HCl, it will react first with NaOH because it is a strong acid. So it means initially when the volume of the NaOH added is 0, it means the conductance is high. Conductance is high due to presence of highly mobile H positive ions, because H positive ions, due to small size, they have very high conductivity. Due to presence of H positive ions, it means the conductance will be high due to the presence of H positive ions initially when the no base is added. And after that, when we slowly add the base in this mixture, equimolar mixture of acids. So first the strong acid HCl we reacted with. It means after that the conductance start decreasing. Conductance start decreasing due to the OH negative ions from the base. It reacts with the H positive ions from HCl to form water. It means the concentration of the ions will be less, so conductivity will be less. React with H positive to form water. So conductivity starts decreasing. And at the equivalence point, the conductance will be minimum due to lowest the concentration of H positive ions and OH negative ions. So that conductance is minimum or lowest. And the equivalence point of the strong acid HCl will be obtained at that point. And after that the conductance, it remains constant for some time due to the presence of OH and H positive ions in very less amount. And after that the HCN, that is weak acid, it starts to dissociate and the conductance start increasing. After equivalence point, the conductance, it remains constant. Conductivity remains constant for some time due to the lowest concentration of the ions. And after that, the weak acid, it will dissociate. Weak acid HCN, that will dissociate into H positive and Cn minus ions. So due to these ions, the conductance starts increasing due to the presence of these ions. So our graph would be like, if this is the conductivity and this is volume of base or NaOH added. So at first the HCl, the conductance will be high due to presence of HCl, H positive ions, and after that it start decreasing due to neutralization by the OH negative ions, and it become constant for some time after the equivalence point, and after that it start again increasing. It means we will got the two equivalence points. This one is for the strong acid, that is HCl, and this one is for the weak acid, that is HCN. So graph would be like this. So correct answer to this question will be conductometric curve, that is for the equimolar mixture of the strong acid and weak acid with NaOH is this graph, that is D graph. So D is the correct option for this. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.